If you own a Polaris Slingshot and you'd like to add a little bit of spice to the rear end of your bike, you may be interested in our plug-and-play LED license plate bracket from the team over at Hypnotic Concepts. The bracket is constructed from steel and topped off with a black powder-coated finish for durability. It features laser-cut Slingshot lettering that illuminates with a red LED backlight once you turn on the ignition. Once illuminated, the light not only adds a touch of class to the rear end, but enhances visibility to the motorist riding behind you, providing both form and function. The kit includes plug-and-play wire harnessing and all-new hardware for a straightforward installation. Now let's get started on the installation on our Shop 2022 Slingshot.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground, your parking brake is engaged, and that your ignition is off. Start by unplugging the connector that runs to your factory license plate light. Add dielectric grease to all three ends of the included Y-splitter. Plug the Y-splitter into the black connector coming from the Slingshot, as well as the connector that goes to your factory license plate light. Then tuck in any excess wiring. You'll have one connector remaining from the Y-harness that will be used to power the LED on your new license plate bracket that will connect a bit later in the video. Next, remove the hardware securing your license plate in place, so that you can remove it from the bike. Then insert the wiring from your new LED bracket through the slot in your factory license plate mount. Align the holes in your license plate with the holes on both the LED bracket and the factory license plate mount, and use the included hardware to secure everything into place. Plug in the connector from the LED bracket to the connector at the end of the Y-harness we installed earlier, and zip tie your wiring up and out of the way. Turn on your ignition to make sure that the LED illuminates.
Now, if illuminating the rear end of your Sling with one of our plug-and-play LED license plate brackets is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for your bike. Feel free to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.